Hello everyone, welcome to the next session. In the previous session, we display the total number of enrolled students in our class, but in today's session, we are going to display the date in our attendance register because a date is very important in all prospect if you are maintaining attendance record of any students. If you want to calculate on which date your student is absent, present, sick or late, so in that point of view, the date display of the date in the attendance sheet is quite important. In today's session, we are going to do the same thing and we are going to highlight the system date in our attendance register. Your system date, if your system date will be updated, your attendance date is also updated because it is connected with your system computer system. So make sure that your computer system date will be okay so that you will get the right date in your attendance register. So let's start working on the session. First of all, open your save project. Let's say I have my save project with the name of BB attendance register. We have done we have already automated our software and it is perfectly working right now. So this is the present output of your program. So if you will select anyone sick or absent or late and I click on mark button, sorry, if you select again and you will click on the late button and click on save button, so you will see your system is display the total number of student present, total number of student absent, total number of students sick, late and enrolled. But yes, it is working fine, but the main thing is on which date Pradeep Sharma is sick, on Pradeep Sharma is absent, or Deepak Gupta is present, or Aminullah Yama is absent. This is also another big question for us. So I want to mark the attendance according to date wise. So in that case, first of all, what we have to do is we have to highlight it the date here so that students proper record should be maintained date wise. So in that case, we are going to insert a date now. Here I want that one date will be displayed here. So let's start working on this section. So let's close the program, go back to developer tag and click on Microsoft Visual Basics and come to your view object environment and see this is our interface right now. So let's say I want to display the date here or here. So let's say I want to display the date after this. So what I will do is I will simply, if you want to copy this, you can copy, otherwise you can take a label from control panel also. So simply what I will do is I will press the control button and I simply create a copy of this label, and again I will create one copy here as well in the same way. So what should we do is we are going to set the height and width of this label. So first of all, I will go to its property section. This is my label, and in the label I want to display the total current date, or you can say today date. Or if you say today date, so today date is there. Okay, if you want to display the today date, so like this we can represent. And here I want to delete the caption property, so let's delete the caption property. Okay, so let me delete the caption property first because I want to make it as a blank. Now let me select the width also because I don't want to increase the width. So simply select this box. Now I want to give the same format like this, so I will go to the style and I will choose a single style. Okay, now if you want to give the special effect, we can take a special effect also. Okay, if let's select all these values and give the special effect from here also. So now see all of them are equal. So what I want to do is I want to change the back color. So simply go to back color option, pattern, and select the first one. Now see all the text box are equal. Okay, but right now date is not coming. So I want, when I click on the software, click on the execute the software output, automatically date will be displayed because we don't want the date will be displayed on click of the label. I said it will be automatically display here. So what we will do is we have to perform this coding on the user initialization form, because we want when user form will be executed, automatically all the values will be coming in combo boxes and all date related feature will come in the date label. So what I will do is simply I will not going to change any label name here. I will simply do what, I will double click on the user form. Okay, in the user form you have to go to the initialization method, and you will see in the initialization method last time we have mentioned all the things like by default student serial number will generate or student name will be generated. So all things are initialized on the spot. When you play the program, you will see all these things are coming automatically. So in the same way, I want date should also came here automatically. So let's do it. So what should we do? We will simply go to the user form, double click on the user form, go to user form, initialization method, and here we will write a code for our date. To display the date, I will write here to display the date in attendance. Okay, we have to write one coding here. In the comment, I will highlight this. So what I will write is, what is the name of my label? First of all, you have to check the name of this label. So it is label 6. So let's change the name, and I will say here LBL date. Let's say it is LBL date. And next, again, I will go back to my user form. I will go to initialization method. Okay, in the initialization method, here I will write here LBL date dot caption. What should we reflect on initialization? Date. If you say date and time, then date and time will also come. Okay, if you say date and time, then date and time will be display. If you say only date, then date will be display. Okay, so date is also there. If you want to highlight us timing separately, so you can initialize the time also. So you just simply copy and paste it, and here we will write current timing. Okay, so let me change here. I will write here current time. Okay, so system time I want to highlight here, so I will say here LBL time. So let's say LBL time will come. Okay, so this time is there. Okay, now it is done. Now what should I will do is, I will go back to user form, initialization method, and here what should I write? LBL caption date will come, and second what I want is LBL, we have time dot caption is equal to time. Okay, let's say write time. So when you click on play button, you will see your system will display date and time automatically when you will upload your program. Okay, so in this way right now our system is display date and timing. So now our system is working fine. So you will see we will mark present. Okay, now let's say absent, okay, let's say sick, let's say late, and click on save button. So you will see it is display total number of student present, absent, sick, lime, date and time. But what so in this way our date and time is working and our software is working. In the next session we are going to learn that how we can save all this mark attendance with date and time in your proper Excel worksheet. So please keep watching and keep continue your learning. Thank you very much and have a nice day.